So you need to move. You're looking forward to your new home, but not the process of moving. What if there was a moving company that worked with strong, savvy college students that had a real knack for moving? Meet Student Movers. We all know that moving can be a huge hassle, so Student Movers will handle the lifting and get you into your new home so you can start planning your housewarming. Here's how it works. Meet Jenna. Jenna dreaded all the stuff she had to move out of her home and into her new place. Lucky for Jenna, she went to thestudentmovers.com. That's when Jenna easily found that she could cater her move just the way she wanted, and that Student Movers would provide as much or as little help as she needed. Once Jenna decided on the option of the moving service she wanted, she easily set an appointment online for the date she needed to move, and Student Movers did the rest. Small moves, large moves, office moves, truck loading, unloading, packing, or all of the above. Student Movers has every option under the sun. Look at Jenna now. She saved herself time, hassle, and money. So what are you waiting for? Use our website, www.thestudentmovers.com, or pick up the phone to get started. And let the experts at Student Movers handle the rest.